My name is William P. Allen. I'm coming down here to Kerry today to stand in front of the council here in County Kerry to look for a nomination to put me forward for President of Ireland. It has been a lifelong ambition of mine to go for President of Ireland since I saw the late presidents getting the guard of honours around the place and the respect that is shown to those people throughout the years. I'm an electrician by trade. My two sons are working with me in the trade, but both of them served some of their time here in Tralee, so I have a long history of association with Tralee, Kinmare and all those areas. I'm from Drimoleague in County Cork, and Drimoleague and Kinmare are only about 3/4 of an hour away from each other. I'd be actually working in Kinmare before I'd have my van parked in County Cork in some sections. So it's a pleasure to attend here today, and I'd be hoping that the democratic process will continue throughout the country as I seek a nomination from 4 councils. So thank you very much indeed on that one.